Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to prevent duplicate emails in your Sent folder on Outlook. If you've been noticing that your Sent Items folder has been cluttered with duplicate copies of the same emails, this tutorial will help you fix that issue and keep your mailbox organized. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account to load in your emails. Make sure you're fully signed in and that all your emails and folders have loaded properly before moving forward. This ensures that any changes you make will be applied correctly to your account. Once your email has loaded, head to the File menu located at the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. This is typically found in the upper left corner of the Outlook window. Click on File and the File menu will open, giving you access to various account and application settings. From the File menu, look for the Account Settings drop-down option and click on it. A small drop-down menu will appear with a couple of options. From this drop-down, click on Account Settings again. This will open a dedicated account settings window where you can manage all the email accounts connected to your Outlook application. An account settings window will now appear on your screen. From here, you'll see a list of all the email accounts you have configured in Outlook. Select the account that you wish to prevent duplicate emails in your Sent folder by clicking on it once to highlight it. Once the account is highlighted, click on the Change button. This will take you into the detailed settings for that specific email account. Now, from the email account settings screen, look for the option that says Don't Save Copies of Sent Items. This is the key setting that controls whether Outlook keeps additional copies of your sent emails. Click on the checkbox next to this option to enable it. By enabling this feature, you're telling Outlook not to save duplicate copies of your sent items, which prevents the clutter and duplication you've been experiencing. Once you've checked that box, click on Next to update the account settings. Outlook will process the changes and apply them to your account. You may need to wait a moment while the settings are being saved and updated. And that's it. You've successfully prevented duplicate emails from appearing in your Sent folder on Outlook. Your Sent Items folder should now remain clean and organized without any unnecessary duplicates cluttering up your mailbox. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.